Welcome! In this video, we will cover how to set up price matrix modifiers within Field Central, including some best practices. Price matrix allows companies to set up seasonal service pricing based on the factors that are important to them. In addition, this tool allows users to seamlessly mass update and maintain pricing from one location, even if needing to take into account modifying factors. What is a modifier? An irrigation example might be if you need to take into account the water source at a certain property. This could be city, well, or pump. In a lawn care example, you might need to take into account the property's difficulty factor, including trees or rocks, or if the property is residential versus commercial. Once you have logged into Field Central, navigate to the settings page via the quick access panel. Select to open services, and then select price matrix. To add a modifier, hover over the No UDF at the top of the price matrix grid, and then click the green plus button to select the appropriate UDF. In this video, we will use type of property. Then select the green plus button on the right-hand side to confirm which UDF values to make a modifier of this price matrix. Once UDF modifiers have been selected, the price matrix grid will account for these variables. To edit or delete a modifier, the user would hover over the UDF value and then select the appropriate icon as needed. Users will follow the same process as the basic price matrix setup to provide their pricing or pricing structure within the grid. We highly encourage our clients to set up and leverage this tool if they are needing a way to manage how services are priced in a scalable way that saves you time. By using the price matrix tool, users can mass update pricing structures and take into account modifying factors as needed. Price matrix is the ideal tool for standardizing your pricing across your customer base.